Stop by and take a look at 2012 Countryman. The Countryman is a bright idea. 4 doors, more interior space, and positioning that evokes the rally heritage of the original Mini, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 80,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Xenon headlights, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lights, power windows. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.